Francesca, and I'm currently finishing up my 2L year at Brooklyn Law School.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I am also finishing my 2L year at Brooklyn Law School, and I'm working as a legal extern at Adam Lincoln Bailey. I've been doing a lot of work with Jamie in the landlord-tenant department. I just finished up working on renewal leases for a rent-stabilized building and trying to figure out if the leases were proper or not, which most of them weren't, and then trying to figure out how much rent the tenants actually needed to be charged because they're rent stabilized and you can only increase their rent by a certain percentage every year. So there was some math involved and a lot of back and forth trying to figure out if we did the math correctly, especially because none of the leases were proper to begin with. So that made it a little difficult, but it's finished and they're supposed to be mailed out to their tenants soon. I loved working with Jamie. I got to work on a lot of different projects, a lot of DHCR stuff, which I had never worked on before and didn't really know a lot about rent stabilized and rent control departments and how much a landlord actually has to do to ensure that they're charging the correct amount of rent, and Jamie was very helpful. Any question I had, even if it was a very simple question that I should have been able to figure out myself, she helped me walk through everything and we bounced ideas off of each other a lot, and I found that very beneficial.
I've been working with numerous attorneys over the course of the internship, and currently I'm working on an opposition for motion for summary judgment.
I found out about this externship through the Brooklyn Law School. I decided I'm just gonna go for it. I'd never worked at a firm before, so I thought it would be a different opportunity, and I wanted to try something in real estate because I found my property class interesting and I wanted to see if it would be something that I actually enjoyed doing. Yes, it's definitely broadened what I thought real estate law was. Property law, you don't really learn any landlord-tenant issues, but I have found that there's so many different issues in landlord-tenant law, and I think that's what I enjoy about it, because there's many different aspects that you can work on and different areas of law that all connect to one another. And that's one of my favorite things about law school, is how everything interconnects. So in landlord-tenant, that's exactly what's happening every day. I definitely think so. I've gotten the opportunity to go to court and sit in on a hearing and take notes on a hearing because no attorney could attend the hearing. I went to a deposition and took notes on the deposition as well, whereas if I was at a bigger firm, I wouldn't be sent to a deposition or a hearing by myself as an extern. I probably wouldn't have been sent at all. Someone else would have gone.
I've been able to work with numerous attorneys, which is really cool because I've never been in a relatively larger law firm before, and to be able to work with different attorneys and learn how they work and what they expect has been a really great experience for future purposes. I've been able to work on really substantive tasks. I draft motions, subpoenas, and I conduct a lot of research on things that I had no idea about, and through that process I've been learning so much. I have been able to work with partners and associates, and I don't think it's been that different for me to work with either an associate or a partner. I think everyone is really approachable and open to the questions that I have, and they've also been really helpful. I think if you're someone who likes a challenge and likes leaving your comfort zone to see yourself grow, this is definitely the place for you.
I think if you're definitely willing to work hard and work on things that you have no idea what you're doing and are comfortable trying to figure it out on your own, but still having the ability and people behind you who can help you through it, and you're willing to work hard and put in time and effort, this is definitely a great place to work.